You know exactly what you need to do, but you're not doing it. Hours turn into days, days into weeks, and that task, still untouched. Here's the hard truth. It's not about motivation. It's about mindset. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you the shift that forces action, even when you don't feel like it. Action comes first, not motivation. Most people wait to feel ready before they start. Big mistake. Success isn't for the inspired, it's for the disciplined. Thomas Edison didn't feel like failing 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Henry Ford didn't wait for the perfect moment to revolutionize cars. They acted, and that action created momentum. Truth. Motivation doesn't start the engine, action does. The moment you move, motivation follows. So stop waiting. Start anywhere. Fear is a liar. Crush it. Fear whispers, "What if you fail?" But here's the reality. 90% of what you fear never happens. The other 10%, you'll survive. Adapt. Come back stronger. Fear grows in hesitation. It dies in action. The salesman terrified of his first call. The second he dials, the fear shrinks. The writer staring at a blank page. The first sentence breaks the paralysis. Your move. Do it scared. Procrastination is stealing your life. "I'll start tomorrow" is the lie that kills dreams. There's no perfect time. There's only now. How to break the cycle. The 5-minute rule. Commit to just 5 minutes. You'll almost always keep going. Cut distractions. Your phone isn't helping. Lock it away. Deadlines, daydreams. No plan equals no progress. Set a deadline. Now. Time doesn't wait. Why should you? Discipline equals freedom. Motivation is flaky. Discipline is unshakable. The gym isn't for people who feel like going. It's for those who go anyway. Success isn't about one grand effort. It's about showing up daily. Train your discipline like a muscle. Start small. Make your bed. Wake up early. Build consistency. No 0 days. Reward progress. Celebrate small wins. The more you do it, the easier it gets. Pain is fuel. Every great comeback starts with a setback. Rejection? Proof you're pushing limits. Failure? Data for your next attempt. The choice is yours. Let pain break you, or forge you. Because if you don't fix this now, you'll keep watching your potential slip away. Your circle is your future. You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Winners push you. Excuse makers drain you. The only thing standing between you and your goal is the story you keep telling yourself about why you can't achieve it. Subscribe, because your future self will thank you for the push. Share. Tag someone who needs to hear this right now. So, like this video now. Thank you for watching.